Just arrived here at Myers Automall. We have this 2019 Dodge Journey SE that is Chrysler factory certified. Buying a Chrysler certified pre-owned vehicle means that you know your investment will be taken care of for years to come. On the outside of this Journey, we have heated and power door mirrors, speed-sensitive wipers, and a backup camera system. Inside, you'll find easy-to-clean cloth seating for 7, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and push-to-start technology. Anyone that needs a full-size SUV on a budget needs to come and take a look at this one before it's gone. This certified one-owner 2019 Dodge Journey has less than 24,000 miles, still under factory warranty, and comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Give Myers Automall a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.